Hello, David Zritsky for the Bond Experience. Welcome back. David, what are you wearing? You've got a Q cardigan on, you've got kind of his shirt, you got a pair of glasses. Are those fake glasses? No, they're real. They're real. They're Tom Ford real glasses and they're prescription. I swear these are my own. Clothes and glasses, yes. Not every day do I dress like James Bond. And I'm not saying that I dress like Q, but for this one, for this video, it seemed appropriate because we are talking about, of course, the No Time to Die Q-Swatch watch. And this is an unboxing review. Yes, we have not taken this out. Full transparency, there was a very limited release of the original Q-Swatch watch. It had the red accents, and I tried to get a hold of it, and it sold out. It sold out, I don't know, hours, certainly no more than days. And so I didn't get a hold of one. And then when I knew they were going to re-release, even though there are differences, I was still very excited about it. So this is going to be kind of my first impressions in front of you. So we know what's in the box, but let's take it out. I'm going to do it right in front of you. So the outside box is very simple, just literally says Swatch. The receipt, money, money, money. Not overly expensive, but still, I think this is limited edition as well. So here we have it, and you're going to notice right away that it is designed, the box is designed, it says Swatch and 007, so it harkens back almost to that Spyscape type look, but it is supposed to be, oh look at that, it's supposed to be his laptop because come on, he's a tech geek. How cool is that? I love the design. That is just so neat. And we want to open it up like a laptop. So here we go. Oh, that's insane. So let's take a really good look at this, shall we? What's really cool about this as I'm looking at it is it has Swatch. If you could look at the actual keyboard, it actually says Swatch in blue letters, which kind of harkens back nicely to the accents on here. So, and it's got his thumbprint, I guess that's his thumbprint type look. And then it's got some great images. We'll get up nice and close. I mean, this looks like it would be an MI6 keyboard. It looks like Q's keyboard. I mean, talk about fantasy play, talk about great design. You know that I love packaging. I love talking about packaging. You've got this single ribbon here that holds it from falling back. So the design is simple, and yet it looks like something you would have in MI6. I mean, this is going to look great in a display. But I assume most people are actually getting this to wear the watch. So let's take a look at the watch. Now, interestingly enough, and in full transparency, there are some great reviews out there of this watch compared to the very first one. For example, Remmert van Bram of James Bond Lifestyle did a great review. We'll put a link to it below. He's going to do a much better job than I'm going to do because he's got both watches. So here we go. I'm going to actually take, it's got a protective film. David! Watch aficionados are like, David, don't do that. It's okay. It's okay. I touched my things. Should not have said that. But there is the watch in all its glory. We'll get decently close for you to see that. And this is a leather strap. Now, it looked kind of plastic to me when I saw it, but it is really this very nice leather with, on the back, you could see as we turn it, it starts to turn red. It doesn't turn red. It is red. It's red on the back. And you've got the back of it with the battery. It basically says Swiss made, water resistant, battery, stainless steel, Swatch, patented. That's kind of the cadence of that on the back. And here are the differences. So the difference on this one is that blue coil that you see right there. Sorry, I'm getting reflection galore. And the blue hands, but everything else is pretty much bang on to what you see. Now, swatches, my voice changing? Swatches have been around for some time. I have my swatches from the 1980s, a Keith Haring one, which is supposedly very rare. I like them. They're very simple. It's got a metal case, And if you want to see the different specs, go to somebody that really knows what they're doing, not me. But this is a 42 millimeter, which I like that size. I wear up to 45.5 with my size wrist. My wrist, I believe, is a 7.5, okay? That'll give you an idea. And as I'm chatting with you, I am putting this on my wrist, even with the little hang tag on it, so you can see what Q might look like. Now, we do know that this is worn in the movie. It was actually designed in relation and alignment with the costume designer, Siddharth Lalar. So that's really cool to know that she worked with the Swatch group, very much like the Omega watch and Daniel Craig. So there we go. There it is on my wrist now. Okay. So again, I have a 7.5. I think it looks fine. It doesn't look overwhelming at all. You can see now it's actually a thinner band than I'm used to, but I like it. It's techno. I mean, it definitely is techno. It's definitely a little bit more, you could see the inside, the way it's transparent through there, looking very cool. It does look like something I would imagine Q to be wearing, which makes sense. So do I feel like, you know, the watch fits the man? Yeah, absolutely. So as I look at this in correlation to everything together, I mean, this is about $200 when all is said and done. If you're looking for a timepiece from the movie and you don't care to spend the thousands that the Omega might be, but you still want to capture a character moment, I think this is a lot of fun. I mean, it's got a fun display. It's got fun packaging. Boy, what a way to display it in your bedroom before you go out. But these are very usable watches. I mean, they are water resistant. They tell the time very well. They're an interesting piece. Plus, it's got that Q on the bottom there, so you've got a conversational moment, which is very nice. I like it. I think I might put it into a light rotation. It's going to be hard to wear anything else but that new watch that I have. But I had to talk about this in Q form. You know how we do it here. Anyway, a lot of fun. This has been David Zaritsky for the Bond Experience. We'll see you real soon. Take care. Thanks for watching this episode. If you want to be up on the latest from the Bond Experience, just click on this subscribe and subscribe to our channel. You're going to get all the latest and greatest information, plus some exclusive content. And by the way, speaking of content, here's something especially for you, just because we know you. Talk to you soon.